Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, doing a series of as-is videos today. This one really a unique opportunity as far as an as-is trailer goes. At the end of the day, we just don't have the time to get this to the shop in time that we'd like to sell it. We don't want to sell it next year or late in the fall, so we're going to offer some as-is pricing on some of these units. This one in particular, a 2018 Imagine 2400 BH. A bit of an unfortunate story behind this one. I'll show you when we get inside. Did come to us on trade, a little bit damaged. You can see here it's missing a marker light. One of the important things to look at, the slide floor here, no issues whatsoever with the slide floor, nice and solid throughout. And again, the floor of the unit largely okay, but there is one area I'm going to need to point out as part of this as-is video. So the 2400 BH Imagine, we sell the Grand Design products here ourselves. Typically very happy with them, not a lot of issues. High quality manufacturer at the end of the day, but this one, it appears as though something as simple as leaving some windows open might have caused some floor damage. And again here, the compartment door left open on this one, a little bit of water damage around the outdoor kitchen as you can see. Nothing serious, the floor seems fine. The people who traded it in decided they wanted to keep their mini fridge, but there is room here for a mini fridge, and as you can see there's a plug back there too, so if you'd like to replace that mini fridge, there's certainly an opportunity to do so. There is a pull-out 2-burner grill here, and you can see it's been winterized. We've removed the panel for winterization, but there is a little bit of storage space here. Everything appears to be solid, just needs a little cleaning, and again, just some slight water damage on the front of that drawer. Step above steps to get in. Again, in its day, this was a beautiful trailer and still is. I believe a great opportunity for someone to get into a good as-is unit here. So let's take a quick look around. Corner bunks, double over double, teddy bear finish. Really nice setup for the kids. No issues with the floor, or sorry, with the ceiling, as you can see. Windows are solid, no leak marks, no concerns there. Again, when I show you what the major issue with this one is, it's fairly minor as far as an as-is trailer goes, but certainly something we don't want to sell undisclosed. Take a quick look in the bathroom area. Foot flush toilet, linen closet. Looks like the shower is going to need some repair there. It's just the top rails come off, so it just needs to be reattached. Floor is solid in the bathroom area. Good storage setup. Corner medicine cabinet. Again, nice and solid. Social space, you've got a U-shaped dinette. Again, the slide floor, no issues. The floor inside the social space is fine. That'll drop down and create a little bit of extra sleeping space. So on top of the bunks in the corner, you've also got this additional space here as well. In the kitchen area, in the entertainment center, you've got lots of storage here. You've got a TV, entertainment center built in. Everything appears to be working, but again, folks, we are selling this as is, so come in and take a look. We'll loan you a battery pack to hook up to it so that you can make sure that everything comes on, but other than that, we are, again, selling this unit as it sits, as is right now. So you've got storage in the corner here, high-rise faucet, good barn-style sink, 3-burner cooktop, oven underneath, lots of storage. And you've got a fridge over here too that's both propane and gas, so it's a combo fridge, and it appears to be in good shape as well. Again, this unit comes clean as a whistle, just has one opportunity, which I'm about to show you. Heading into the main bedroom. Padded headboard, storage all the way around, windows on either side, bed appears to be solid. Now here's where the issue is. It's going to not translate well, but there is right here along the window, a base of the window on the floor, there is a soft spot. So our theory would be that these windows have been left open at some point. No leaks, no leak marks on the wall. The wall itself is solid, but water has gotten in at some point to soften up this floor a little bit on either side of the bed. And really at the end of the day, the only opportunity that we see with this trailer, as far as listing it as is that this is a compromised floor. Now it's not so bad. Come on in and take a look at it. It might even be something that you don't even care about. Certainly a very campable unit, the way it sits. Grand Design, high quality product. Unfortunately, though, with that compromised floor, we're going to have to mark it down to an as-is price. Come on in and take a look at it. If it suits your needs, make an offer. We'll see what we can do to meet your expectations. But again, beautiful trailer, available as is, as it sits right now, with a slightly compromised floor in the bedroom. Leisure Time Sales, Quiz Spam Sis, featuring some as-is units today. This is the best of the bunch. Come on and take a look.